All right, students, we're going to review our project for the Google site that we're creating, which is a collection of all the resources that we've developed for this class, and it's got a few other components as well. So I'm going to go and just show you an example of mine so you'll be able to get to it. Remember, we start at Google, and we go into the waffle menu, and to find sites, you go to More, and then Even More, and then sites will be further down here on the bottom right. Right here, under Home and Office. And then from here, the one you started creating for the class will be right here. So here are the things that we'd like to have on the site. First, you want an introduction about yourself. So this is going to be almost like a cover letter for your resume. And in fact, if you wanted to, this would not be a bad place to put your current resume that you're working on. And that way you can refer back to it if you like. But I do want to have a home where you have a picture of yourself and then just an overview of who you are. And then the next thing, we added a page, and this page was in a table format, and the video covered that from earlier in Module 9. And so what I did is I dropped in the links into each section. And I had difficulty dropping in the link for the final study guide. So instead, when I went to the Insert button, and I'll show you where that is. I'm going to click right here. And when I went to Edit, this was just the only snafu I had today. And I went to edit the page, which I now can do. When I got to this cell here to insert, because the rest of these were easy, just copy and paste. But here, I had to go to Insert, and I went to my Google Drive, and then I put the document in this way. You're welcome to do that as well, because I was a little frustrated because I copied and pasted it. It messed up my column width. So I just went ahead and I grabbed the document, and then I chose the document, and then when I put it in there, it worked. That was the only problem I had today with it. So now it doesn't look right until you hit save, but I'm fine with it that way. So I took the Kahoot assignment, the Google form, the Symbaloo collection, everything from our discussion board, which I've opened up now. So you can go back and get any link, but you also can go to Symbaloo and do that as well, and just go and get your shared link from there. So you want to put all your links in from all 7 of the resources we did today. And I have that on that PowerPoint right here. These are the things we wanted to add, right? Your Alabama Course of Study assignment, your Pinterest, the Kahoot, the Google form, Symbaloo, your EdTPA video recording link, and your study guide. Okay? So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7 things in here. So on your website, we did that part where the assignments are in here. So you had an intro from home, you had your course assignments, and then your teaching philosophy. I want you to put down your teaching philosophy. This is an example that I put in here. Give you an idea of what you could use. So I put that in as well. So there's our teaching philosophy. And then my sandbox area is just a play area where I'm going to put YouTube videos and different comments and areas that I want to collect things and come back to whenever I want to look. But that is all there is to this site. So your work primarily is going to be copying your previous assignments into this page. But your home page is an intro. The teaching philosophy is how you're going to be successful in the classroom. And then your sandbox is just a play area. 4 pages, that's it. When you're done, you will share it. Okay? And when you hit the share, that URL is the one we're going to drop in the discussion board area that I've opened today. Okay, so you'll be able to make it where anybody can view this one. Okay? Make sure that it's public on the web, and you make it where anyone with the link. See, it's public on the web, and it's viewable, not editable. So there we go. So there is your assignment. I'll make sure that the discussion board area is available so you can put your websites in starting today. They're due by Monday. Everything's due by Monday at 11:59.